This next tune we have a lot of fun playing. It's from the pen of the composer who wrote The Chicken, Chris Bird. And this one, of course, is called Foul Play.
Thank you, brother.
What? Some roller derby jumps, bro. I'm gonna light up at night, goddammit. I got fireworks and light up skates. I right them just like shoes, right, bro? Yeah. I ain't shit, bro. All this bitch trying to see something. Thank you, man. Thank you. Oh shit. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, bro. I'm on my YouTube shit. Oh damn, y'all on YouTube, bro.
Oh, what's up, YouTube?
No, man, bro. Freebird.
Checking us out at work and
yeah.
Natural Habitat and shit.
Oh, you hear them boys, man. And then Natural Habitat, Freebirds, Wild World, man. Check it out. Fuck with me. Subscribe. I fish. I love fishing, bro. If I ain't skating, I'm fishing, bro.
I feel that.
Oh yeah, I was about to say, if y'all ever want to fuck with me, hit me up on the jump, drop a comment, we can link up, fish, skate, whatever, bro. They like my roller derby elite gliders. They like them elites, boy. They think they're Nikes and stuff. I just want to come check out the scene down here, man. Woo. When it's a lot of debris, sticks and rocks on the ground, you may want to keep your eye on the ground. I know you like to check out the scene, but you gotta watch out where you're riding as well. These sticks and stones, they're not gonna be kind. They will throw you at the first chance they get. My cousin said don't fall out here. I told my cousin I done been there. Namaste. I say, Freebird here. You on another journey, man. This skate land. I'm out here with my cousin Vaughn. Creeping in the cut together. We out here at Dogwood, DELL, RVA, 4th of July firework event, man. I've already skated around a little bit. It gets started at 9, it's about 7 now, so we kick it a little while, ride around, skate a little bit. And I got a little surprise for y'all. I got the cooking going on, and I got a little shum popping off too. So y'all stick around, man. Let's get it.
And as a special musical salute to Ukraine and her people, here is the national anthem of Ukraine.
Hey, I'm on the camera roll.
You ready?
Yeah, y'all ready? Hi, King. You call me Free.
Cousin, wifey.
Nice to meet you, wife. What's up, bro?
JJ.
JJ. Dynamite. What's his name?
Josiah.
Josiah. That's all right.
Oh, my bad. Jamal. That's how respectful.
Royal names. Right. He said, man, Royal. Let me keep that.
So on this 246th birthday of our nation, will you
Hold me down, cuz.
as we honor the United States of America with our national anthem? 4th of July concert. My name is Ron Simmons, and I am pleased to be your announcer this evening. Seated on the Dogwood Dell stage is the Richmond Concert Band. Dr. Mark, yes, let's give it up for them. They are under the direction of Dr. Mark. There we go. Tonight's program is part of the City of Richmond's Department of Parks, Recreation, and Community Facilities 65th Festival of the Arts here at Dogwood Dell.
How you doing, my brother?
Tonight marks the Richmond Concert Band's 50th July 4th performance here at Dogwood Dell. Formed in 1971, the band has been entertaining audiences throughout the Richmond area and across the Commonwealth, and they look forward to doing so for you tonight and for many more years to come. The musical theme for the first half of our program is movie music. During the second half of the program, you'll hear outstanding patriotic songs and see a great fireworks display. Joining the band later will be singer Nicole Pearson. Just as an aside, Nicole Pearson has appeared with the Richmond Concert Band many times. She was 13 years old when she first performed with us. Well, you'll see, as you just did there when she came out and sang the national anthem with me, that she's a little bit older now.
William. Sorry, mine's William.
Gibson Fireworks will provide the fireworks show. And you already heard that our howitzers are back. The cannon fire this evening is provided by Alpha and Bravo 1111 Artillery right here, and they are under the charge of Sergeant First Class Dubrow. So thank you, gentlemen, for being with us this evening. A little bit of history about them. They are affiliated off of the Richmond Howitzers, who has been with us many times before. And the battery has served our Commonwealth in nearly every armed conflict since its inception. From the Battle of First Manassas to the beaches of Normandy to the battlefields of Iraq and Afghanistan. We are honored to have the 1st 111 Battalion Howitzers with us. So let's give them another big round of applause along with our fireworks display that you're going to be seeing here a little bit later this evening. So ladies and gentlemen, now on with the music. To get our movie music started, here's a march that was featured in the 1952 movie, The Stars and Stripes Forever. This starred Clifton Webb as John Philip Sousa, Robert Wagner, Deborah Paget as Mrs. Sousa, and Ruth Hussey. So ladies and gentlemen, here's the Washington Post March by John Philip Sousa.
I would go over there, but I'm smoking. I plan on cooking, and I got some fireworks of my own that I'm gonna shoot, so I'm over here in the cut under my beautiful tree. I think it's pretty unique myself. I'm just waiting on them to finish with their music. Soon as they start, or as soon as they getting ready to end with their music, I'm gonna start cooking. That way I can eat and watch the fireworks at the same time, and then go skate around, work it off, and then shoot my own. Let's go. Man, there's people out here, little children out here catching fireflies. They all over there catching fireflies. they made a little, I don't know what you want to call it, but they made it against the tree and it looked cool. Some old outdoor stuff. Everybody got their little families out here, family reunion swag. They deep too, man. cousin-in-laws right now. Yo. Nah, cause you was still on the phone. All right.
I don't want to mess my skate wheels up. Trying to clean up.
How many years can some people exist in the world? Must one big man before. How many deaths will it take till he knows that many These are questions that were asked throughout the 1960s, and they are questions that we need to be asking today. How many? How many? Here's Bob Dylan's Lonely. How many roads must a man take before you can
They probably like, what he doing? I ain't doing nothing. I ain't making no noise. Gotta make sure that thing on. I wrap this joint up so much I can't even get open. Something just went off. I had to turn my camera back on. Something just went off. I'm trying to hear that.
The United States Air Force.
Yeah. Got that steak cooking under there, yes sir. Got made some mango for dessert, fresh mango.
The United States Marine Corps.
I can see the smoke. Gotta get the veggies, bro. Gotta have the veggies, bro. Yeah. I got a YouTube channel you can check out if you like.
Okay. What's the name of it?
Give me a second, I'll give you my card. Yeah, I done missed the first round. I'm still cooking.
We'll be right there. We're gonna get the rest of our people.
Okay.
Come see them.
Bet, bet. Yes, sir.
Hey G. Hey G. Steak.
I'm good. He's good. I appreciate it. He's good.
Oh,
Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
So I'm trying to get rid of this bitch. I ain't want to just throw it away.
Good, man.
Saving this motherfucker for later. Thought you slid on me. You ready flat?
Huh?
You ready flat?
Yeah, I got to get my school to get the kids.
All right, that's what's up. Yeah. Catch that with me.
Alright.
Love you, bro.
That shit, is better, man. That shit probably been at me,
Right. They have to reinforce that. Oh, that John crazy. I like them John. Them John sweet.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you. Yeah, we'll kick it again. We'll kick it again.
Look, you got it. Come on, Jack.
Oh, that's all sweet.
Yeah. Surprise attack. Surprise attack. That was the last few probably. Everybody rounding up, packing up. Time to go, Jack. I would shoot mine around here, but there's too many police out here. And they be tripping. I ain't with it. Eat this when I get back to the house as well. Still dessert for the boy. Thank y'all. I done came out to another park. People still shooting fireworks. So I done came back out and got my little surprise going on. Fine, how y'all doing? Thank you.
It's the boy one.
Oh, yeah. This is awesome.
What you got?
Are you on roller skates?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I freaking love it. What's up, man?
Nothing much. How you doing?
Hey, I'm Jennifer.
I'm free.
You who?
Free.
Free?
Yes.
Damn.
You like my name?
Yeah, but the fact that you're on roller skates, man, and your laces light up, I'm all over that.
I'm trying to make sure.
I'm all over it. And I got this one, Killer Bees, but we were gonna do them over here where it's a little bit darker.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna come over there.
Okay.
I want to make sure I got this open.
Well, bring that one over there.
I am.
Did you find the wick yet? Sometimes they're hard to find. There it is.
Yeah, I got the wick, but do I need to open this, right?
No, you don't.
I don't?
No,
You sure?
No, you just light the wick. I'm positive. I've been doing fireworks for 25 years.
I'm gonna trust you. What's your name again?
Jennifer.
Jennifer. You got my mother's name.
Yeah?
Yes, man.
You gonna light it right there, right there? Come on.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Oh, let me get my ass back. Free bird here, man. I'm glad y'all could join that journey with me. I hope y'all enjoyed it as well as I did. That was my last firework for y'all. Just sitting out here, you know, skate vibes. It's your world. Live it, love it. Once again, you already know. Get out there and get into it, man.